Holla y'all. This is a walkthrough review of Drury Inn. This is a suite. They also have the standard hotel rooms. The suites are the 2-room with the living room and the bedroom separate. We love Drury Inns. We have stayed at Drury Inns a whole lot. We discovered them back when my son went on a field trip to St. Louis, and we stayed at a Drury Inn in St. Louis. Discovered that they have breakfast and dinner as part of their hotel stay. And when you are traveling with 3 kids, free meals is a good thing. So we have stayed at a lot of Drury Inns. If there's one available, that tends to be where we stay. Even now that our kids are grown and they don't travel with us. Always friendly people, friendly staff, clean hotel. We've never one time had a single problem at a Drury Inn. So check them out if you've not done so. Again, free breakfast, free lunch. They usually have a popcorn machine up, and you have a free snack. For the evening meal, you can get 3 alcoholic beverages as well. Some places, depending on what state you're in, it can be 3 free drinks, and some states require that you pay something. In Kentucky, they require you pay, I don't know, 50 cents or $1 per drink because of state law. Somehow or another, they can't give it away. But that's a bonus as well. They have a fountain drink machine that you can use most of the day. So check out Drury Inn, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. Okay, this is room 406 at Drury Inn in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Let's get in here. Turn a light on. So this is one of their suites. You come in and there is a hallway. And you go into the bedroom or into the living room. Oh, and I don't know where the light switch is, or I turn it on. And then off of the living room part is the bathroom. It is on. You see where I can't turn it on. My hands are full. I'm just getting in here. And it has the nice closet, bathtub. Sorry, I'll turn everything on. It has the standard. All right, let's go back out here and see. I guess I just turn a lamp on. So, lamp. Sure, it's a pull-out couch. Come out just a little bit. And we have microwave and refrigerator in the living room part. Desk to work at, of course. All right, so here's where we came in, the hallway. And you come over to the bedroom. There is a light switch for this one. And here is the king size bed with another TV and a bunch of drawers. All right, so again, this is Drury Inn, Bowling Green, Kentucky. All of the Drury Inns that we have stayed in that have been built and designed by Drury have this design where they have balcony hallways above the lobby, so you can stand on the upper floors and look down over to the lobby and see what's going on. They have these massive, beautiful chandeliers coming from the top floor, and then there will be a glass-walled elevator to take you from the top floors down to the lobby. So you can see what's going on before you get there. There's also a business center right off of the lobby and a place to get snacks. They have a nice snack room, candy bars, stuff that you forget. As of July 2023, there's some prices. They always have hot and cold options for breakfast each morning. That's pretty delicious. We didn't stay for dinner, but they also have a very nice hot dinner every single evening, and these are both included in your room fees. It's a small area, but if you're so inclined to actually work out while you stay at a hotel, there is some stuff for you to do.